So another way to encourage referrals for your membership is to offer a bonus session. So this works for you. Obviously, if you do consulting or some sort of coaching, then it makes perfect sense. So pretty easy to ask somebody, hey, if you refer me 1, 2, or 3 clients, I'll give you a bonus session or 2 bonus sessions, if that makes sense. And what I like about this, it's very easy. You don't have to create content. You don't have to give something away or potentially commit to giving a free membership. This is just your time. If it makes sense, again, you gotta know what your time's worth, but if it makes sense. But another thing I like about giving away a free session, a free bonus session, is that after you're done with them, they are more likely to actually want to sign up and become your one-on-one coaching or consulting clients. So that's what's great. They actually may actually become a repeat or a VIP client, if that makes sense. So it's a little different than the other option, which was giving them a free membership. So this is a great, easy way to do it. I think if you are a coach or a consultant, this is probably the easiest thing to do. There's no content to create. There's no sweepstakes to set up or picking what you're going to give away, and you don't have to commit to giving anything away for free. So it's very easy to say, yes, I'm gonna give away a free session. Unless you're very booked already and maybe this doesn't work or it's not scalable for you, then that's okay. But for the right person, this is, I think, one of my favorite ways of encouraging referrals. Plus, it'll probably generate you a case study right after you help them 1 or 2 free sessions. Now you can talk about it in your membership. So I love it.